Hello again. So for our rank checking exercise, I will be using the list of keywords we have for this inbound. So first, I will access the rank checker tool here in Firefox. So under the tools menu, look for rank checker and then click run. So after that, you have to load the keywords that will check rankings for. So click here, add multiple keywords. And then you must have your keyword file or keyword list open to copy the keywords. So for easy inbound, I will select the first 18 keywords or the first 20. And copy paste here in the rank checker. And then for the domain, just simply copy the client's domain easyinbound.com.au without the HTTP or www at the beginning, and then paste in the domain box in rank checker tool. Click add and then close and click on start to begin the rank checking. You can have the rank checker running on the background while you do your other tasks. You just have to check every now and then to see if naghang ba or na finish ba yung rank checks. So we'll wait for this to finish. And then for the reminders, ayan, yung easy inbound, it targets Australia location. So the setting here is set to google.com.au, the one I showed you before. And then the delay between queries, I use yung Mars Standard 13 yung sa Firefox rank checker. The duration of the rank checks will depend on the internet connection first and also the delay between queries that you set on the option in rank checker before. You can load up to 30 to 40 keywords per batch run or up to 50 keywords maximum per batch. But ako personally, I avoid loading up to 50 keywords because madalas maghang yung rank checker and also mas mataas yung possibility na maban siya ng Google agad kasi marami kang keywords na nira-rank check. But yun nga, you can adjust yung value or number of keywords that you will load per run depending on your internet speed. So for example, if you have a slow connection and the rank check does not finish frequently, you can try lowering the number of keywords to check per batch. And similarly, if you think your internet connection right now is good enough to handle more keywords per batch without getting your IP banned by Google, ayan, you can load up to 50 keywords depending on your internet speed. And almost finished na. Halfway na yung rank checks natin. In case pala that the rank check is interrupted or yung naghang siya because of the rank checker tool itself or sometimes because na-disconnect ka online and tinigil yung rank checking, what you can do is to right-click anywhere in the list of keywords here right click and click on copy all. Tapos, open Excel and paste um, the rank data you copy. So, you'll see dito na merong results na 999. Pero ang data lang talaga, ang rank data lang na pinifetch ng rank checker tool is up to 200. Up to 200 lang. So, yung 999, that's actually no rank na yan. So, just replace the 999 with a dash. You can change each one if konti lang, or click, or you can also replace all. So, pwede kang mag-control H, and then ito, find what, replace with. So, for example, yung find what, yung dash, diba? Tapos, i-replace natin siya with 999, for example. So, replace all yan. So, napalitan siya lahat. And also, similarly, ito naman mga keywords ito with 0 under google.com.au position. That simply means na hindi pa siya na-rank check. So, 0 pa. So, you need to redo the rank checks for these keywords. So, let's check the rank checks. Finish na siya. So, we can now export results to CSV. Save results to CSV. I'll save it as EI 731.1. I usually put 1 sa dulo ng file name kapag maraming keyword batches to run. So, diba, you saw kanina sa Easy Inbound na marami siyang keywords. So, ang gagawin mo lang, per batch na lang yung checking ng keywords. So, for example, since 48 keywords to, you can have siguro the first 25 keywords on your first run. And then, so, for example, ayan, the first 25 keywords on your first run. And just put a mark here. Parang just a note to yourself na this is where you ended your previous rank check. And then, this is your list of keywords for your second batch. So, for second batch of keywords, just close this one, yung rank checker, first batch. And, ito, change IP before you load the list of keywords. So, for example, right now, I have the UK7E set. So, for my next batch, I'll be using UK7G. Be sure to select yung delete all under cookies, beside cookies. That's important since changing IP without deleting your browser cookies will still allow people to identify you and subsequently block your IP then in the process. And sometimes then, in between batches, I let the rank checker to rest for a while. For example, 5 to 10 minutes just to avoid getting my IP blocked by Google then. And also, here um, in Mozilla browser under options, you can also click on tools and then options and clear this one. Clear all current history. So, para mag-delete yung cookies, browsing and download history and others. And I do that in between batches. But sometimes hindi naman siya madalas talaga. Okay, so um, for your second batch, you should load your second batch. And I recommend na you finish muna all the rank check for all the keywords in your list before you compile later. So if you have so if you have this one as your part 1, just copy paste the succeeding batches or keyword data here and then save as one file lang. Save mo siya as one Excel file para kapag nag-VLOOK up tayo later, isa lang yung reference file natin na gagamitin for the keyword distribution report. Okay, what else? I think that's the basic for the keyword rank checking. See you again later.